Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, if you have more doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail, and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906 Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called why we sleep. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called prayer, a form of sleep. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this is a 143 number topic, and the name of the topic is prayer, a form of sleep. So friends, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Your conscious mind gets involved with vexation, strife, and concentration of the day. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that your conscious mind get involved with the vexation, strife, and the continuation of the day, friends. Okay, and it is very necessary to withdraw periodically from the sense of evidence and objective world. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling it is very important to necessarily withdraw from the periodical evidence of the objective of the world, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, and commune silently with the inner wisdom of your subconscious mind, and also we should commune silently with the inner wisdom of the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, here basically author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that we need to always admire our subconscious mind. We need to talk with our subconscious mind because subconscious mind have the solution to each and every problem, and our subconscious mind is going to 100% give us a solution to each and every problem, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, and friends, I always tell that this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic because these are all the words of author Joseph Murphy, and it are not my word. That's why I admire him, friends. Okay, this by calming guidance, strength, and greater intelligence in the phase of the life. So our subconscious mind is going to calm us and give us strength and greater intelligence in all the phases of our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, you will be enabled to overcome all difficulty to solve your daily problems. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we will easily get the opportunity to overcome all the difficulty and solve each and every problem in our life which we face in our daily life and daily problems, friends. Okay, so friends, many times in our day-to-day life we get many problems and we do not know what is the solution, right? So we can easily talk with our subconscious mind and we can make sure to get the solution and we get it, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, this regular withdrawal from senses, evidence, and the noise and the confusion of everyday living is a form of sleep. So this is a very important statement, friends. Okay, so your author Joseph Murphy is telling this regular withdrawal of the sense of evidence. So all the sense of evidence withdrawing us and the noise and confusion. So whatever noise and confusion is created in the living form of the sleep, it is also the form of sleep, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. That is, you become asleep to the world of the senses and alive to the wisdom and the power of your subconscious mind. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling in this way, we become sleep from the world of senses and we alive to the wisdom of the power and our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So, friends, today's topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I've covered the concept called prayer, a form of sleep. This topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called startling effect of sleep deprivation, this topic friends. Okay, this topic I'm going to cover in the next video. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care friends. Okay.